Hi YouTube, today we are going to look on how to integrate MPESA on your application, whether it be a mobile application or a web application. I'm going to give a brief overview on how to integrate MPESA APIs on your website. On this tutorial, we will start by learning the basic, then the language of our choice will be PHP, and then after PHP, after you've completed the tutorials on PHP, I will produce other tutorials on Node.js. So Daraja is a platform created and fully managed by Safaricom that allows programmers to learn and use MPESA APIs. These APIs include business to business API, business to client API, client to business API. Okay, the Daraja website has all you need to get started. However, what I'm going to do is just simplify the work for those the beginners, the absolute beginners. It should be noted that in this tutorial, no instructor is mandated to ask you for your MPESA PIN or password, nor your app secret key. Okay, so to get started, we will sign up. So you just sign up with your you fill the details and put here your MPESA number, not MPESA number, Safaricom number, and wait, they will confirm for you your account and it will be sent to you via email. So you should put a valid email here. Just sign up, just a normal way of doing things, nothing complicated. And then after you have signed up, you can log in. Now I'm going to log in. To get started, when you log in for the first time, you'll not see any app, so you should create an app. An application is just an application allows you to make an application. We can say an application as a house that contains libraries that allows you to make your API calls to make the MPESA transaction on the application that you'll be using. So we'll create an app. Just imagine it as a house that contains libraries that allows you to make transactions. So we'll create an app, then we'll name it tweet 1. We'll make sure you check the Lipan MPESA sandbox and MPESA sandbox. This the third one you can leave. I think we'll not be covering it on this tutorial, but you can research about it. Yeah, it will be created. It will notify you that this is a new application. Make sure that you never give anybody the consumer secret key. This one should be always be a secret. Do not give it to anybody. Okay, I hope that's clear. And this is just the details of the app. Analytics. But now we don't have any analytics, so let's go back to application. Okay, let me take you through the platform. Here, if you want to go at home, you click there, and that is the home page. Okay, and then this is the get started. Get started just give you basic overview on how to start. And the documentation, we'll be using a lot this tab, and then the APIs APIs are the transactions that you're going to make. Yeah, the calls. Just for now, understand it like that. The applications, my apps, these are the applications that contain the libraries for making the API calls. And then if you want to go live, when you have the 10 upload test case, go live. For this tutorial will not be covering this for today. You can ask question, frequently asked question. Any question? How long does it take for my app to be approved? The approval will be done within 24 hours. You can go to this question. Okay, for today we will stop it up there. Unless there's any question, please feel free to like and subscribe, and that's all.